money, try it risk-free for 30 days or your money back. We'll also include the fabric brush-free. Breathe life back into dull fabric. Call now and find out how you can get a professional creaser attachment. It puts a razor-sharp crease into all parts of fabric and gives you that tailored look. You get it all. A $90 value for the great price on your screen now. The Steam Buddy and the Fabric Brush plus call for a great deal on the professional creaser. When you call, find out how you can get a second Steam Buddy for half price. But you must call or go to our website now, www.steambuddy.com.